What's up, YouTube and all my ninjas out there? So I just wanted to touch on something real quick. It is about. It is not. It's not about. It is 8 weeks out to planting. In Zone 6A, and so what I'm doing today is I'm going through and checking the seed packets. And on the back here, you'll see days to harvest, days to germinate, days to harvest. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to get a calendar, and preferably if you've already done this, but this is just a refresher course. So I had set a reminder in all my electronic devices to update me starting at 9 weeks. So you could start the cucumbers, because that's about 90 days out, or no, yeah, it's about 90 days out if you do it start in February. But anyways, so what you do is you find yourself a calendar, you take your seed packet, and in this case it's cucumbers, and you take that day, and then you go find your last frost date through the USDA link that I'll put below. You find your last frost date in your zone, and then that'll tell you how many days from the last frost date to count back on your calendar. And then once you count back, let's say, just to be a medium number, we'll go 60. That would put you at 60 days back. So if your last frost date, I think ours is March. Not March. I don't have it wrote down. Anyways, was not prepared for this. I was just up doing it, so I figured I would show you. So anyways, find your zone at the USDA link below, okay? And then it'll tell you your last frost date, and then you take that last frost date and count backwards from that last frost date, whatever, 55, 60, 70, whatever you want to do, according to this. And that's when you want to plant or start your seed in order to be able to put them out pretty close. If you don't have row covers, wait for your last frost date. You still may need to put a row cover on them, or a sheet, or whatever else you may, to protect from a late frost or something. But generally speaking, that's how it's done. So sorry for that long drawn out mumble there. So anyways, some of these do require a heated bed, so you can put them in something like this. This is what I'm going to plant with here in just a few. These are the paper pots that I made. I don't know why the video didn't upload. I looked this morning, it was gone. This is just a tray from the it's either bagels or croissants or whatever that we'd got for a party. So I saved that. You can use these egg trays. Here's some more paper pots that I've been making up. So obviously the oh yeah, and then all the seeds. That's actually a salad tray. So we don't have any salad during winter now, because we don't have a heated greenhouse. So we buy this stuff in these containers, because we eat salad with pretty much every meal. But anyways, I use those. Right now it's currently stacked full of seeds, but that'll also turn into one of these miniature greenhouses. Alright, so anyways, link below for the USDA last frost date, count back on your calendar. And that's when you need to start these if you want to put them out at the proper time and have a fully adaptable plant, ready to go. There's also some other things going on there. You need to, you need to put them by a fan. You need to cold harden them or outdoor harden them. That's not this video. I just wanted to let you know that Zone 6A has 8 weeks. You're 8 weeks away from frost for most people in Zone 6A. So give us a thumbs up, give us a thumb down. Bitches, moms, complaints, leave them in the comments section below. I am Irish USMC Vet. Simplify and Godspeed, and get out there and plant something. Get it going now, because Lord knows we're probably going to need it this year. All right, guys and gals, have a great day.